This is a demo for Souvenir.com, a marketplace for African creatives. This is the default landing page, which is also our product marketplace that allows individuals to be able to find products already created by creatives. An individual can either pick a product depending on the category, or they can pick depending on the collection. Once which functions, this pretty much functions like an e-commerce site. They can pick the products. Once done, they are able to buy the products, complete the purchase process, choose where they're able to pick up from, whether it's to pick up directly from us or to ship within Nigeria or ship internationally. They proceed to payment, get two payment options, whether to make payment instantly or pay later. And then once payment is made, they have completed the order. They can choose to continue shopping or move on to other things they are doing. An individual who doesn't find products that they are looking for in the marketplace can choose to create theirs by leveraging our online customizer. So when they create theirs, they choose the product category they want to create for. They're able to add text or choose to add image, or they can in turn also add graphics, templates, or designs that they've saved before or purchased from our design marketplace. They're able to then proceed to order or to sell the design. So an individual does this, completes the process, and that can finalize the process with a checkout or continue to add other products either by creating an order or visiting the marketplace. Landing page also allows individuals to check out news from both our design and our blog engine and get updates of latest happenings from Souvenir. We have three key categories of creatives. So we've got sellers, we have designers, we also have influencers. Sellers are pretty much people who sell ideas and designs on products. They simply register, they're able to create designs either using our own or uploading theirs. They list it on products and either add it to stores or list just single products. Once customer buys, we handle the entire backend and then they get paid their margin, which was already factored into the retail price. To get started, a seller simply joins, signs up, and gets access to a dashboard which provides an overview of all what the seller has access to. Under my products listing, a seller can choose to promote a product by providing a few details and sending to our network of influencers by providing what they're expecting across different social media platforms. They are able to boost and promote their products to our influencer networks followership. And once this is done, they're able to promote and complete that promotion purchase. Under my stores, and a seller is able to view the different stores available, can choose to see the store. The store allows for aggregation of different product categories of designs that have already been created. An individual can choose to edit the store depending on their own preferences, ranging from ability to edit the store header, the store banner, as well as add multiple products or products of their own choosing to different stores. And once that store is ready, that store goes live, and they're able to promote that store to their own network. They are also able to, the seller is also able to view the products according to different phases products are currently in, whether they have been delivered, they are waiting delivery, they're queued up in production, or they've been cancelled, just to know how well their products are performing within the marketplace. Once they've aggregated funds, they're able to also withdraw to either their bank, to majorly their bank, or other withdrawal means as we had in the future. And a seller can also choose to run discounts, promotions by providing generic codes for people who follow their stores or for their own customers to be able to participate in discounts promotions. They can also view the status on the influencer promotions they've run from the My Products page, pretty much allowing them access to all the tools for promotion, whether they are also advertising through an integrated network of third-party markets. So for this, that's pretty much what the seller is able to do. Now, for designers, designers are pretty much they are the anchor of the ecosystem. So a designer can get listed by working as a designer, where they are able to create simple things from logo designs to package designs, social media ads. They serve both our seller communities or buyer communities, as well as people who are neither buyers nor sellers. And pretty much there are two. Once a designer signs up, pretty much provides all these details. We do a basic back check just to be sure of the quality of designers we're getting on board, and then they get access to their dashboard. On their dashboard, they're able to see the gigs, the job offers they are able to receive. They're also able to create gigs by providing a few details and then finishing up finishing up, right? So they provide all the details required, and yep, and then their gig gets published. They are also able to view orders, so orders that are currently in progress, and they can see the status of the conversation they've engaged the buyer of their service in. They are, in addition, able to see ongoing requests or bids that they're able to send in their offer for, or decide not to participate in that. Typically, designer is also able to withdraw his amount of money at any time, and they can also adjust their profile settings along their personal details, their accounts, as well as their bank details. In addition, individuals can come to the designer marketplace and hire designers by either posting a request simply by following all the details below, or by simply exploring from our network of service providers. They can see what each service provider offers, choose to hire, see the rate at which they are able to hire, proceed, and then complete that gig. This allows for provide multiple options for individuals to be able to purchase designer services. And finally, we've got our influencer. That with our influencers are individuals who've got social media following and are willing to monetize it and use it for promotion of products, either from our sellers, largely from our sellers in in the marketplace. So to get started, anyone with a followership can simply click sign up. Once they sign up, we provide a few details. We check them out, and provide an invite code for them, just to be sure about the quality of sellers, of influencers that we're getting. Once they've provided that and they've been invited, we provide a few details about them, which enables us to pair them with jobs. And once completed, they get access to a dashboard wherein they're able to see the jobs that are ongoing, and they can choose. They see the type of jobs, whether it requires a video or it's a photo. They can choose to reject it, or they can choose to accept. Once they accept, they see the details of that particular job. Then once they click accept, the job moves to their own order page where they see the level of the job. Once they've completed that task, whether it's a video to be done on Instagram or a photo to be posted on Twitter, they come here to mark the job complete, and then they provide the link for that particular task. Once that link has been provided, they submit, and then it moves the job to pending, awaiting the confirmation from the end of the seller. And once both sides of the conversation have agreed, the money of the earnings moves to the influencer's account where it's able to withdraw from. An influencer is also able to edit their own profile settings, change their password, and provide their bank details. And that is pretty much the summary of all that's possible at the moment on souvenir.com. Thank you very much.